This video demonstrates the process of programming your bot to create a header row in your CSV file. Header rows help identify what data is written into each column. To create a header row, we're going to follow these steps. We need to locate the file, then we need to type in our header row, remembering that since we are dealing with a CSV file, we want to separate each header row column with a comma. Once we've entered our header row into our box, then we want to make sure that we select the appropriate options to append the timestamp, overwrite existing log files, and leave the default ANSI. We can then click to close the log to file menu and save and run our bot. Finally, at the end of the video, we will be able to open our blank CSV file to see that the header row has been written into row 1. The log to file command is on our actions menu, so go ahead and click on the show next to actions to reveal the actions menu, and then navigate down to log to file. Click once on log to file, and then double click on the action to move it onto your workbench. Once you have the log to file command on your workbench, we need to configure the action. We begin by telling the bot where to find the file. Click on the Browse button and be patient while it connects to your computer. Navigate through the File Explorer to find your Chicagoland Popcorn Economic Nexus folder, and then click once on your blank CSV file. Then go ahead and click on Open. Make sure you don't open your CSV file, or if you already have it open, close it, because the bot does not operate on open CSV files. Now that we've told the bot where to find the file, the next thing is to tell the bot what we would like it to write in this file. In this case, we're going to write in our header row, remembering to separate each column by a comma since we're writing into a CSV file. Once you've finished entering the text, click on Append Timestamp, and then select the option to overwrite the existing log file, and in the encoding box, leave the ANSI. We can close the Log to File menu, click on Save, and then we can click on Run. If you've configured your bot correctly, you should receive a message stating that your bot has run successfully. Go ahead and close. Then use your File Explorer to locate your CSV file. You should see that the timestamp has updated, indicating that the bot has performed an action in your CSV file. When you open it up, you should see your header row. Here, the first column will have both our timestamp as well as our record ID, since we did not separate these by a comma. If you're having trouble where your header rows are not separating into the appropriate columns, go back and make sure that you have placed commas in the appropriate locations for your header row.